Hello guys, Mike here with 2-0 Scrapping. In this video I'm going to show you how to take apart one of these fan electric motors. I know a lot of people like getting the fans from houses because they have big electric motors like this one here. And there's some that are a lot bigger. This one's fairly a medium-sized one, so I thought it would be a great example to show you guys how to take one of these apart. So basically we're just going to start off with and just start taking off the screws. There's 4 screws. Alright, that should get our cover on that side. Alright, I had to change out my battery. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Alright. Sometimes these are kind of a pain to open up, so all you want to do is get your hammer and then, let's see, find a nice flat surface like that, put your hammer, hit it on one side, like here or here, it don't really matter. Give it a few bangs and it should, like, another bang, there you go, it should open right up. And this piece here is going to contain some aluminum as well, so that can go with the irony aluminum there. Alright, and this piece, just hold it like that. Give that side a bang. Piece of ferrous. Went ahead and secured it. So on this one, I know it's kind of like, oh my god, how are we gonna get all the copper out? Do I cut it with the blade? What do I do? Well, figured out a little trick earlier. You just stick your screwdriver in there and then pull up every so often, and you can actually cut through it. Need a smaller screwdriver like that. Just move that up, switch. See that? This, if you don't have a saw or something like that to cut the windings here. Figured this out earlier when I was doing some other fans. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes you gotta get the bigger screwdriver, but it's fairly easy to do. You just, stick your screwdriver in there and give it a little pull, straight up, and it'll cut right through it. See that? It's pretty nice idea, I guess. You're just getting started and you don't have a saw. You just use a screwdriver. Just cut through this. Like so. Do it on this side so you can see closer. I mean, if I was gonna be doing it this way, I would definitely make sure you have a clamp. I mean, clamp is a scrapper's heaven, I guess. You can do so much with it. But yeah, just keep going around. Like that. Cutting, see, it just keeps cutting. You just give it a little straightening there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole thing, stop talking so much, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, got the last two here. While I was doing this, I kind of figured out another technique here. You just stick it in there and kind of give it a twist at an angle, and bam, so much easier. Alright, so like the other ones, go ahead and straighten all these as much as you can. Makes it easier when you're trying to pull them out. There we go. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, I forgot to mention that I left this little swivel here on the top part where I cut it on purpose because I'm gonna clamp that. Alright, so like I was saying, I left that swivel that was on the top part here on top on purpose and cut that there. So when I clamp it down, see, when I clamp it down, I'm gonna clamp it right on that. On that swivel there. And now I can just turn it while I'm taking out the copper. And this you just do the same as all the other ones. Just get under it, pull up, and that should take your copper out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of this, and then I'm gonna weigh it and show you guys how much copper you will get out from one of the ceiling fans. Well, roughly, because all these depend on size, so it's gonna be a rough estimate there. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, guys, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I finished. It only took me like probably a minute and a half, around there. It's fairly easy. Once you have one side cut, you just go around cutting, taking them out. So it's pretty easy. Alright, so take that off and just throw that core with your ferrous. Alright, so let's weigh this, see how much copper we got out of this. Alright. Oh. Wait a minute. It's not even. Alright, now we can start putting it on there. Alright, let's see. We're gonna break a pound. It doesn't look like we are. No. So we got 11 ounces. We're a little short on a pound, but 11 ounces, so a pretty good amount of some copper there. So yeah guys, it doesn't take that long to strip one of these. You can do it in maybe, I don't know, 4 minutes, 5 minutes tops. Just go around with that screwdriver and just start going at it. By the time you know it, it's already all cut, and then you just turn it around and pop off the copper from the other side, and there you go, you got yourself 10 ounces of copper. So thanks guys for watching. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.